people, happy Monday. Welcome to tea time. Get your coffee, your tea, your orange juice, your coffee, your water, your smoothie, or whatever it is that you like. Lemonade, that's a good one too for a morning. A pick-me-up lemonade. But guys, yeah, today all I have is a little bit for y'all. Guys, I just want to talk about faith over fear and just believing in yourself and trusting in yourself and trusting to know that things will get better, even though it might not seem like it, even though it may not seem like people are on your team or people are with you, you have people that work against you, all those things. Just know that faith over fear is what's going to get us through. And for that, we're going to take a sip. Guys, I will see you on the opposite side. Thank you for tuning in to Tea Time. Guys, hold the line, please. Guys, happy Monday. Welcome to our channel. Welcome. I am your host, Sonia. I am the host of the Simply Natural Black Life YouTube channel. Yes, it's me, it's her. So guys, it's a nice day outside today. It's like, I think 60 or whatever. So this is my fit of the day. So guys, a lot of y'all were interested in that overnight bag. So I said, you know what? I'm gonna do like a little review on it and that'll give us something to talk about. So if you guys are interested about the bag, then keep on watching, okay? All right guys, are y'all ready to get into this bag? She's so pretty, So I'm gonna just give y'all some details on this bag. This bag, it says that it is a dark gray, but to me it doesn't look dark gray. It looks like a taupe color to me. And the original price is $49.99. And it is by A New Day. So guys, this bag is still being sold at Target for $49.99. But if I were you, I would go to a place called Dirt Cheap if you're in Houston, Texas, places around those surrounding areas, Arizona. You can also check on, there's another one called, we have Dirt Cheap, we have Crazy Bins, Treasure Bins. There's an Amazon outlets that does the same thing. They sell Target stuff brand new. People return stuff or buy it or it gets delivered. You don't like it, you just send it back. That is how that goes. So this bag is absolutely, y'all, at first I thought it was a dog bag that you put your dog in it or something, but I had to think about it. If it was for a dog, it would have like a net in the center right here. But guys, this bag is beautiful. It has like, you can remove this like that to open up your bag, and just the gold detail itself is absolutely amazing. It's very good quality. The only downside to this bag is that it doesn't have feet, but I was thinking I do have like felt feet that I bought to put on the chairs. I'm probably going to cut those in little squares and put them on the on the bottom of this, so like when you're putting it on the floor. But other than that, this is a beautiful bag. You open it, like I said, you can remove this handle here and undo the buttons, and then you have zippers on both sides like so. Easy to zip. It's very easy to zip, and it's just really pretty. It's really pretty. You have pockets on the side. Deep pockets too, y'all. Deep pockets on the side like this, on both sides. And then, let me open it back up. And like I said, you have the really gold, nice hardware. This bag looks very expensive, guys, and it feels like false leather, vegan leather to me, So yeah, and like I said, you have a strap inside. I'm gonna remove the bag. They have it packaged very good. And I know I can use this paper for something else too, to wrap stuff, So, like I said, you guys, it's very deep, as you can see, very deep. So someone like me that lives very simple and very minimal, I can actually probably get like 3 or 4 outfits in this bag along with my essentials, because I don't use a lot of stuff. I use vitamin E oil. I'm not a person or a big consumer of like a whole lot of, you know, products. I'm not a product junkie, so I wouldn't have to put a lot in here. So probably like putting things on the side here, putting something here, and a couple of things like in the inside. You have a zipper here as well. And actually they have it, they have it strapped to this. So I would have to cut that off. But this is how you do it. You have a nice little pocket here where you can put a lot of things in there. And so that's probably where I could put like my jewelry, my headscarf, let me see, my glasses. And then like on the inside, on the opposite side, we have 2 pockets here where you can put like your cell phone, your keys, or something like that, your ID. And like I said, it comes with these really, really nice straps here, really, really thick, y'all. And look at the hardware on that. Even if you're afraid that it's gonna like turn colors or whatever, you can always paint this with some clear nail polish, and that can prolong the life of it and the effects of it chipping. But this is the locking mechanism. So you would just put that on this side, and then I'm gonna try to put this part on this side, like so. Yeah, this is really, really nice. And it has like a little thing here, like for a belt. You can make it and adjust it as long as you want it. But guys, this is a beautiful, 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 beautiful bag. Beautiful bag. Especially, like I said, if you're looking for an overnight bag. And like I said, we were supposed to be going somewhere. And I was thinking like, this was the perfect time, you know, to find me a bag like this. So guys, I hope you all enjoyed me showing you guys this bag. How it looks, how it functions, just the whole aesthetics of the bag is absolutely beautiful, y'all. And this looks like it can go with anything. I'm not gonna say like real bright colors, but I'm saying like your whites, your grays, your blacks, your taupes, your browns, your blue jean, you know, throw this bag, you know. This is really a nice bag. Unless you're one of those women who have to have a large bag, you probably can really use this for your purse. But this is actually an overnight bag. And like I said, it retails for $49.99, and they probably still have it. Like I said, I checked and it still was there. And it tells you here that it's a detachable crossbody strap on the actual bag itself. But yeah, guys, this is really, really nice, really nice. So, hope you guys enjoyed me doing a little preview of my overnight bag. I see you guys know my pillow back there. So hold the line, please. I'm gonna show you guys closely. So pretty, y'all. Look at that. Straps right here. Beautiful straps. Look at the hardware. Pocket in the inside. The 2 pockets here. We have sleeves here. And we have a sleeve here. And yeah, absolutely beautiful, y'all. So like I said, if you see it, I would grab it. Go to try to check out those places I was talking about. So pretty. And this is the original price right here. You can scan this if you want. Hold on, guys. Let me see. Focus. You can try to scan that if you like. And this is the brand, and this tells you here about the adjustable crossbody strap. And yeah, guys, that's what it looks like. I absolutely like it, and I can't wait. You guys already know, once I get to use it, I'm going to be using it, and then I will show you, like, you know, how I pack it or whatnot. But yeah, it's a really nice bag there. Really nice bag. guys, I'm probably going to close out this video because I'm going to enjoy the rest of my day, y'all. But I am loving, this room is a breath of fresh air if you only knew. And that's why I'm trying to keep it at a minimum. But I just wanted to show you guys with that sun popping through there. That is what that area is looking like with those new pots, y'all. Well, this is a new pot and stand, but that's just a new stand. And then I put the woods, I took the wood off of that one that was on this white plate. But yeah, guys, so I'm loving this space. I'm just loving it. I don't think the room needs anything else. I just need to find my plant that I want. But I'm gonna show you guys really quick things I just posted on OfferUp because y'all gotta let them go. I can't. Every time I try to move something and it doesn't work, I feel like that means it has to go. Like really. So I posted this pillow since you guys see me haul the other pillow. I posted this because it doesn't work, y'all. It's not working. And then y'all know I just bought this not too long ago. I think for $10. I posted that. And then I got rid of these pampas grass peacock feathers that was in my office because y'all, it's just, come on, y'all we gotta say no. We have to let go and say no and give it to somebody else, get your money back. Now, like I said, I'm gonna get my money back for the what was that? Oh, for the basket. I do want my money back for the basket because I bought that brand new. It's still brand new with the tag on it, but I'm just saying. Yeah, so here's where I chose to put the pillow. Let me know if y'all like it there. I love it there. So I took that other pillow that was on here. It's 100% cotton. So I just said I'll just leave this here. And then, like I said, this still has like a little defect here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but like right here, this little string is off, but I'm gonna sew that up. I think I have some black thread, but I just want to inform you guys what's going on here. And in here in the kitchen, here is the new mop. Now y'all see how much that goes with everything. So pretty. And then here is the dryer is on, guys, so that's what you hear in the background buzzing. But I just like this better. It's more sleek than this bigger one. This is the old cedar one that I got from Walmart. And like I said, for some odd reason, this is not, see how that does that? It will, if I push it, it will come out, but it's not coming out like I like it. So I could tell something wrong, but this red is not going with the flow. And even like this part here, this is more fat and round, and this is more sleek. So yeah, so that's what I wanted to show you guys for there. But guys, I'm really about to go now. Hope you liked hanging out with me. I hope you guys enjoyed the preview and the tour of the overnight bag. Let me know in the comments. Thank you all so much. You're very, very kind here, and I really, really appreciate you guys. I will see you tomorrow in another video. Bye, y'all. Don't forget, love yourself so that you be able to love others, so this world will be a much better place. Bye, guys. Trust me, if nobody's in your corner, God's in your corner, okay? I just want to leave you with that. Bye, y'all. Till you next time.